Hello everybody, welcome back again with me, Zuldengono. Previous video I was making exterior model, so let's render it on a D5. Let's click this button and then check model that we made before. So let's wait. Usually first opening it's longer than second or third or fourth opening. Maybe the software is still calculating for the mass, the polygon, the edge and everything, I think. So let's wait. Okay, it's 99%. It should be not too long. Okay, the file just open. Let's delete the scene number second because we don't need that, and then save the file before we start working to save the file. Okay, now the file just saved. We can move to next step. Next step, I will make the scene, of course. Let's move to image tab and then change navigation to fly and then turn down the speed so we can move more precise. Let's move to the front. Okay, then let's change the field of view to 60 to get more close, and that looks better. And let's find a better angle. Yeah, this one looks nice, this angle. Okay, let's make it 2-point perspective. This is too close. I think we need 75 maybe. Okay, then flying a little bit and then orbit. Let's show the grid to help us on making better composition. Yeah, I think it should be right here. Okay, that's beautiful. Let's see. Oh, that's wrong. Make it, I think this line looks good. Okay, I will take this in. Let's take it and then save the file, and let's move to edit mode and turn off the grid because we don't need that grid anymore. Now we start focusing on the material setting. Let's start from this stone. Let's change it from D5 library. Let's go to material and then stone. Not that stone, maybe outer ground. Let's see something good. Oh, brick, I think. Where is the brick material? Wall tile. Ah, that's it. I think I wanna use free only because I'm using free version of D5. and then the randomize something random, this one. Yeah. Okay. That's bad. Let's not look natural. That's bad. That's bad, mate. How about this one? How about this culture stone? That looks better, I think. I will use this one. Let's scale up the texture, make it look bigger. That's too big. .8. Hey, this looks nice. Let's make it darker. Make it darker a little bit. Okay, it's enough. Wait, something wrong with the material. Sorry. Let's open the SketchUp. I think I will fix it later. Let's focusing on rendering page for now. And then change this plaster. Let's see. Wall paint. I wanna use stone paint, looks good, I think. It looks a little bit yellow. Yeah. Then let's bigger the scale up the texture. Maybe 0.3. Yeah, 0.3 looks better. And then I want to change this floor material. Let's see what we have on this library. I want to use simple gray marble, Armani gray or Arabescato, Brazilian quartz, no, cool gray. We have different option for gray marble. I think I wanna use this one, cool gray marble. Okay, let's scale up the texture. .3. Oh no, 0.2. Let's see. Yeah, that's too complex. Too complex, guys. We need more simplified texture. I think this Armani gray looks promising. Let's see, and then turn up the scale 0.3. Yeah, that looks better. I will choose this one. And then next we have this pool. Let's change it. Let's see, for wall paint, just a simple ordinary white. Yeah, just one wall paint. Yeah. Oh, and then the glass. That's very important, but I forgot to change. We need to change the default glass from SketchUp into default glass from D5. Okay, nice. And then we have to make it a little bit darker. Yeah, like this. Wait, I think 85 is enough. Okay, and then next we have this wood plank. We need to change it. Let's see, wood floor. Let's change it into, wait, I think this one. Let's see. And rotate the direction. Yeah. That's too. Let's try this one. Change the direction. Change the normal map into 0.1. This looks odd still. Let's try this one. Yeah. I think this looks better. And scale it up. Okay, this looks nice. And then next we have this cladding. I want to use this one, but I think it looks too red. Let's use this one. Zero 0.3. Yeah, this looks better. No. Yeah. I will use this material instead because it's already good, I think. And there is also the PBR. And this one, yeah, it is already good also. Okay, I will take this. Really good, really nice. Next, let's put the decoration. Let's put some outdoor furniture. Let's move to model and then change for outdoor furniture, and then we have this. I want to put this thing in here, the dedicated area for lounger. Okay, it's finished. Let's put this thing. Let's put it around here and then change the direction. Okay. Oops, let's change the perspective into 1 point so we can move more free. Okay. Let's see, make sure it's not flying. Okay. And copy to another side. Next, I want to put something here. Let's put furniture. That's a lot of nice furniture. We have bed, we have sofa. Wow. And also make me confused. How about this thing? Maybe no, the outdoor sofa. I think this thing is match. Let's download it. Let's put this lazy chair. Nice. Downloading also. Okay. Let's put this thing here. And then put side table. We have a lot good furniture here. We put in here. And then we can put this sofa. Wow, that's beautiful. Right here. Oh, come on. Uh, 90. Okay. Let's put this for 2 module like this. And then maybe we can put something here, or maybe a plant. Accessories. We can put this thing. Wait, this thing looks better. Potted plants 71. Yeah, that's good. And also put right here. No, I think we need that pot looks bigger. Yeah, like this. And then copy to every gap. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Wait, I think we need to rotate. Make it random. Oops. Huh? Why? Okay. So let's do it manually. Okay. And the next. Wait. We have to put it. Move it. Not that one. Okay. Okay. I think this looks weird. Let's just put something right here. Let's put some coffee table. I think this one looks nice if we put in here. Oh, that's too big. Let's scale it down. Okay. Nice. Yeah, that's better. Next, let's put some chair here. Let's put some group. Where is it? Group of chair and table. For indoor. Let's put this thing. It's still loading. Come on. Okay. Make sure it's not flying. Okay. A little bit. Okay. Let's put a dining table. Favorite. Where is my this one, table and chair set. That's what I mean. Let's put it here. Okay. Let's put this table set. Okay. Maybe we can put two table set here. Yeah. And then, by the way, I have changed the model. I have updated the model, so let's reload it. Click this and then reload, confirm. And you can see this have different material now because it should be wall paint. Let's change it. Back to material library, go to the wall paint, and I just want to use a white roof wall. Yeah. Okay. Nice. It's too rough. Let's make it 0.1. Okay. Okay. That's it. That's what I want. Okay, next let's put some vegetation. First, I want to put vegetation on this planter box. Let's put model and then nature. No, where is, this one. No, we should make a path and then content this one. Let's make the path start from here until here. Okay, let's see from this view, and then we need to change the random scaling. Scale it 0.5, make it half. Random scaling is too high, let's make it maybe 0.2. Random rotation 1. And then density, let's try 10. Okay, 10 is enough. 0.5, no, 0.3 is enough. Random direction and then scaling to 0.3, 0.4. 0.3 is enough. Then let's add density into 15, 25. Let's see. That looks bad. I think 20 or 15 just looks better. Let's copy it to other side like this. And then make another path for every planter box. Okay, done. Let's add the content. This scaling 0.3. Wait. Yeah. Also 0.3. 1 random rotation. Let's make it 8. Okay. Okay. Looks good. And then this planter box also. Let's make the path. Okay, add the content. Zero 0.3 scaling and random scale, random rotation, density maybe 40. Yeah, that's too much. 30, I think. Should be 35 or 45, 60. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Next, let's put a big vegetation. Let's make the path, of course, as usual. For this one, I want to use the HD asset. So it should be start from here, make it look random, and so here. Okay, there is my favorite tree. The dynamic, no, not dynamic, HD. This one. Okay, let's see. Wait. Okay, that looks weird. We need to edit the path. The path just bad. Let's delete. Let's start again. I think we need to have a different path for this leveling. Okay, this is our first path. Let's see. Density, random scaling 0.7, random rotation 1, and then let's make it 35 density. Okay. Uh, 20. Random offset. Scaling 0.7. Okay. Let's see. Okay. That's good. And then next, let's put our second path. Okay. Let's put the same tree. And then scaling 0.7. Random scale 0.7 also. Random rotation, of course. Density 35. Let's see. Turn it about 15. Okay. Okay, that's good. So I think we need to change the HDRI. I think I want to use this early morning. It's still gray. That's a bad sign. No. Let's add vegetation. Let's fill it maybe 45. No, 40. And then scale it bigger. No, I think 25 just enough. This random scale. No. Random scale should be 1. 15. No, 20. Yeah, that's good. So we need to cover this area, right? How about we put the low tree model. Maybe the dynamic. Dynamic tree. Let's see. Maybe there is something good. Where is it? I think this one. Let's make it much. 50. Random scaling 1. Random spacing 3. Random rotation 1. Let's make it 100. $150 to block this gray area. Okay, I think it's enough. Next step, let's change this water into real water. Let's change it. Change the material into pool water. Then change the color. And maybe more blue. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Turn on the caustic and then give a normal. And then velocity 0.1. Let's save the scene. Okay, the pool color is great. And then let's back to environment and then turn on the caustic. I think we need a bigger depth. And then make it lighter. Maybe a little bit green. No, that's too green. I think this is enough. And the environment, the caustic just on. Make the caustic on. Make it 930. Okay. The north offset. Let's see for a better sun ray. Yeah. Yeah, that's one. That one looks beautiful. And then let's playing with cloud. I don't need too many cloud. Let's make it 0.2. Okay, that's nice. And then change the sun disk radius. I wanna make the shadow more sharp. Yeah, like this. Wow, that's beautiful. Let's save the scene. And then we have the sunlight intensity. Let's make it 0.5. 0.1. No. Wow, that's too strong. 0.5. 0.3. 0.7. 0.5. And then effect 0 bloom. And then outline 0.5. Wait, the shadow. Whoa. Shadow looks too strong. I think 0.3 just enough. And then the contrast minus 0.1. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Yeah, that's enough. The white balance. Oh, that's too yellow. Let's keep it the default. How about 7,000? Oh, that's too yellow. Yeah, default is best, I think, for this project. We have outline. This is bloom. How about fignet? No, that's bad. Let's see for this resolution. Yeah. Wow, that looks beautiful, I think. Let's see the effect, highlight compress, and then default exposure. Yeah, I think we don't need that highlight compress. This is already good. Let's give it a fignet a little bit for dramatic. Zero 0.7. That's too dark. 0.5 just good, I think. I think the shadow just too aggressive. Let's change the north offset a little bit. Yeah, should be right here. Okay. And then the sun is reduced to 0.2 to make the shadow sharpen and precision. Too sharp, 0.3. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And then I want to make it, we need to make it more darker than this. That's too dark. 60. Okay, and then make it a little bit yellow. Okay. Yeah, 50. Just good. No, 60. That's too dark. Yeah. Okay. That's it, guys. Let's render this. Wait. I want to put something. I almost forgot to put something very important to make this looks more realistic. The curtain. I almost forgot. Curtain. Okay, that's it. Curtain open. That's very important, guys. Yeah. Let's put it here. 1 point, come on. Okay. Put it here, two-way. Speed 100 is enough. copy it for every window module. Copy again right here. Okay, let's see from the outside how it looks. Yeah, that looks better. Then put that curtain also in here. Make it two-way and then rotate. Come on, where is move? Oh, let's move to right. Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful. Looks better. Let's update the scene and then yeah, let's render it. Wait, I think I wanna turn on the wind. 0.3 strength. 0.5. Okay, update the scene, save the file, and then render it for 4K resolution. Okay, that's it. Let's wait until the rendering finish and see the final result. Okay, it's finished. Let's see the result. So this is the final result with 4K resolution. You can see on the screen the sky is clear and blue, very beautiful. The pool, the caustic is rendered properly. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. So yeah, this is the final result. I have to finish this video, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.